In this lesson, you will recognize, prepare, or select basic foods that make up a balanced meal. This week's recipe will be cheesy potato soup. You will need 3 cans of chicken broth, a frozen bag of hash brown, 1 can of cream of celery soup, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, milk, cheese, bacon bits, a pot, and a spoon. Your first step is to put the chicken broth into a pot and bring to a boil. 2. Put the hash browns in the pot and stir. 3. Boil until hash browns are tender. 4. Put cream of celery soup, cream of chicken soup, and milk into a pot and stir. 5. Bring to a slow boil. 6. Put cheese into the pot. Heat and stir until the cheese melts. 7. Sprinkle bacon bits on top of the soup. 8. Eat. Hope you enjoy.